Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths, exercise 9.3, question number 9. Zygam, please do it.
Okay, first we have to segregate sine inverse x dx.
Amazing.
Now, over here we have to use Eilate method to find to integrate this sine inverse x.
Right hand side.
Yeah, so into 1. Into 1, there is a dot, so this is into, okay, yeah. So, yeah. Now we will use the Eilate method. According to Eilate, we have to take u as sine inverse x, I for inverse. So, integration of u v. I confuse people easily. Okay. u v dx is equal to integration u v dx minus integration du by dx integration v dx dx. Now we have to go zoom out, take it there. Okay. Now we have to substitute this integration u v.
Do it quick.
U is equal to sine inverse x. Oh yeah, before going to u inequality, using the Eilate method, we have to find u. U is equal to sine inverse x, then d.
Right.
Then du by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square.
Root of 1 minus x
Yeah,
square.
root, yeah. And then v is equal to 1. So integration of v dx is equal to x.
Okay, why you take u as sine inverse x?
According to Eilate method.
Okay. First is inverse.
Yeah. I for inverse.
Okay.
So that's why we have to take
Proceed.
du by dx. So in sine inverse, integration of v dx is x. So we have to take x. Better we'll write x here.
No problem.
Next step I'll write, okay?
Okay.
Next step minus.
Just to put the
integration.
bracket, that's all.
Oh.
If you put the bracket, it is over. Okay, proceed.
Integration du by dx is what?
Quick.
Integration v dx x dx.
Okay.
We have to use u for this method, to find the
Okay.
integration.
Why not you can use square root of 1 over square root of a squared minus x squared?
Because it is with something.
Because numerator has x.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Numerator is not.
And why not it is sine inverse x?
Why not it is?
Sine inverse x.
Integration.
Hmm.
It is not sine inverse x because it is with x.
No, because of this x.
Yeah.
If the x is not there, you can directly
yeah,
write
directly
it.
you can do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Your handwriting is very good, man.
Oh, thank you. Now.
He is the robo scientist. Okay. Go ahead.
For this question, we have to take u, but u is already there, so we have to take another variable, which is t. T is equal to root 1 minus x square, then dt by with respect to dx is equal to.
Don't think too much. Take it.
2x minus 2x.
No.
I got it.
U equal t equal to 1 minus x squared. If you take what is called, if you take this one, then what will happen? 1 minus x squared to the power of minus of, then minus 2x, like that you have to proceed. Either t squared equal to 1 minus x squared, take it.
More complicated.
It will become more complicated. So better you do it t equal to 1 minus x squared. That's all. Understand?
Yes.
Where to put root of 1 minus x?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we have to take minus 2. Minus 2. Are
okay. It's okay.
Minus 2x dt is equal to
Minus 2x dx. Stop it. Okay, good.
We have to use these two only in this.
No. Actually, x dx is x dx is x dx is minus 1 by 2 dt.
Yes.
This you have to round it. Okay? Okay, now I will do sine inverse x, x sine inverse x minus. Okay. Go and
Don't
proceed.
be confused who to subscribe.
Take t. T, taking t and work it.
Yeah, I took T.
Wow.
Okay, no, take T and work it. I'm taking T and work
Take
it.
t, man.
One time anything.
This t also take it.
No.
It's okay, it's okay.
I have to finish the question. Okay, I'll finish the question. Integration of this 1 by this bracket. Now integration we'll integrate 1 by x dx is we have to take 1 by this minus will go here and then 1 by 2 will come out.
Very nice. Let me show their. Okay.
Okay. I'll soon vary with our next.
Okay. Okay.
X and then we have to take dt, then by dt is this side, okay, but
Yes.
1 by and then 1 by t.
T root t. Because t equal to 1 minus x square.
Okay.
X sine inverse x plus 1 by 2.
Integrate. Sorry.
Right.
Log.
Why?
Sorry.
1 by 2 integration of
1 by 2 integration of
t power minus of dt.
of dt. Okay. Then. So guys, for this question, we have to take t and
X sine inverse x
you guys have to take t and
t power of.
t power. This 2 will get cancelled
Why this 2 will be cancelled?
because
Why this 2 will be cancelled?
I am getting confused.
Nothing will be. T power minus of plus 1. So it is t power
One
plus
by-
of. X power n dx is x power n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now t power minus of, if you integrate, t power minus of plus 1.
Concentrate. Okay. Sorry guys. I'll concentrate. Wait.
Whew. Go.
This one. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1.
Plus 1 by 2, man. This much time, don't take it.
1 by 2.
Okay.
1 by 2. Okay. Now this
So t power
t power 1 by 2. The same 1 by 2 will come
denominator also.
later. But this 2 can go up also. So it's better we take it up.
Okay. But next step, do it. Don't do this step.
Okay.
1 minute. Okay. Okay.
One thing I want to show. This 2, you have to take it up. Okay. That's what you do. So it will get cancelled over there itself, and you will get sine inverse x plus t 1 raised to t raised to 1 by 2.
T raised to 1 by 2. Okay.
Okay, t raised to 1 by 2, and we have to take t, and then that's our answer. See? Sine inverse. So guys, for this question also you have to take t and do. For your exam also you have to take t and
Now instead of t, you put.
you have to put 1 minus x square. And we can 1 by raised to 1 by 2 means root. So we can write that.
Where is y?
Y. Where? Oh,
You have to put y
y also
and
plus c.
y. You have to put y here.
Why we have to put y here?
Uh,
Everything is getting complicated. You have to take t with t. Yeah, why we have to put y with y?
Why? Because integration of
because the y was in differentiated form, by integrating we remove the differentiated form, what is left? Y.
Okay. Understand? Here you have to integrate. So here you have to put y.
Yeah. After integrating we got y.
Well done, Zygam.
Okay, then